Sabi ko siguro kung may mawawala, may darating.
Dito tayo sa Malilo. Malilo, may tao. Eh, mainit. Walang tao doon. Yeah. Ay, surprise!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, sabay-sabay tayong lahat. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan, so Ma'am Ramiro, make a wish po on your birthday and then blow the candle man. Ayan, so Ma'am Ramiro, once again po, happy birthday! Ayan, at syempre ma'am, ito po ang bouquet of flowers para po sa inyo, ma'am. Ayan. Ayan, and ngayon ma'am, makasali ko na siya ma'am, ang message po na napakatid po ang sorpresa para po sa inyo.
Happy birthday to the best coach ever. From your 3 babies and to special people in your life. Dear coach, we've been trying to put into words just how much you mean to us. And honestly, it's tough to capture it all. You're more than just a coach. You're a mentor, a motivator, and a true inspiration. You've taught us so much not just about volleyball, but about life. You've shown us the importance of hard work, dedication, and never giving up, even when things get tough. Your belief in each of us has pushed us to achieve things we never thought possible. We especially appreciate how you always, kumain na kayo ha? Kondisyon ng katawan. Love kayo ng Mamiro. It makes such a difference to know that you genuinely care about us, both on off the field, court, and etc. We're so grateful for all the memories we've made as a team, from municipal meet and division. You've created a team atmosphere that feels like a family, and we're so lucky to be a part of it. We see the countless hours you dedicated to us, not just in training, but in your truly caring about our well-being. You've always been there to listen, to offer advice, and to provide a shoulder to lean on when we need it most. You have a remarkable ability to understand what we're going through, and you always know how to encourage us to be our best selves. You've instilled in us values that extend far beyond game, resilience, discipline, and the importance of teamwork. You've taught us how to face challenges with courage and grace, and how to support one another through thick and thin. Your impact on our lives is immeasurable. On this special day, we want to express our deepest gratitude for everything you do. You're not just shaping us athletes, but as individuals. You're a true inspiration, and we're so incredibly lucky to have you in our lives. We hope your birthday is filled with joy, love, and all the things that brings you happiness. Thank you for being our coach, our mentor, and our team mom. We love you. With heartfelt appreciation, Baby Bangs, Benisang, Joy Joy, Trainer Pogi, and Trainer Yeye. Ayan. And meron pa rin pong message para po sa inyo, ma'am.
Trainer Pogi.
Ayan. Happiest birthday to my dearest Mamira and Super Idol. I just want you to know how much grateful and blessed I am to have you in my life. No one knows how much you've helped me in everything. You are my greatest comfort and safe space forever, and no one can replace it. You've such a wonderful gift I ever had and received this year at never po kitang ipagpapalit at pakakawalan. Also, I just wanted to say thank you because you've always been there for me when I needed you the most, and I need someone to talk to and listen to all my problems, dramas, and chicas. I know you're busy too, but you always find time to answer to all my messages, and you've always comforted me. Ikaw lang po ang nakakapagpakalma sa akin kapag inis na ako. Natataranta na ako at umiiyak po ako. Alam na alam at kuhang-kuha niyo po ako kung paano ako patawanin at pakakalmahin. Yung palagi at matagal ko pong pinagdadasal na sana may taong dumating sa buhay ko na magpaparealize po sa akin, nakatanggap-tanggap ako at mahalaga ako sa inyo. Sa inyo ko po iyan naramdaman at kay Binisang. Kaya palagi ko po talagang pinagpapasalamat kay Lord na dumating po kayo ni Binisang sa buhay ko. Kayo po yung bumuo at nagpapasaya sa akin. Also, when I'm with you and Binisang, I always feel comforted and safe, and never niyo po akong pinaramdam sa akin yung mga naramdaman at naranasan ko po sa iba. No one knows how to bless. Lucky and grateful I am to you, Mamiro. Thank you so much po sa pagtanggap at pagtampol sa akin, Mamiro. Gusto ko lang din pong humingi ng sorry sa pagiging pasaway, makulit at lagi ko pong pag-aabala sa inyo. Kaya kahit ano pong mangyari, hindi ko po hahayaan masira ang samahan natin at mawala po kayo ni Binisang sa akin. Ipaglalaban ko po kayo palagi sa kung sino man ang mga away sa inyo. Always remember po na I will always be here for you no matter what happen. Two more banding, kwentuhan, chikahan at iyakan with you and Binisang. Hopefully soon makagala naman po tayo or swimming po. Wala pong iwanan hanggang dulo tayo ang magkakasama. I love you so much in always, forever, and always to infinity and beyond po, Mamiro. Enjoy your special day po at sana po napasaya po namin kayo sa simpleng surprise namin. We know na sa Saturday pa po ang birthday nyo. Ini-advance lang po talaga at nang buo po tayo at sakto po na mga hindi busy at holiday. Once again, happy birthday, Ma'am Miro. Good health always and keep safe always. With so much love, your Ampon. Ayan. So ngayon, Ma'am Miro, talagang kahit kami ay tuwan-tuwa at meron kayong mga estudyante na ganito, na talagang ipaparana sa inyo ang ganyang sorpresa. Kasi bibihira talaga, Ma'am, ang ganyan. Doon pa lang po talagang napaka-importante nyo po para sa kanilang mga buhay-buhay. So ngayon po, ini-advance po nila ang inyo pong birthday kasi ngayon po sila nakakuha ng time na kayo po ay buo ngayon pong holiday. So ma'am, ano po ba ang gusto nyo pong sabihin para po sa kanila? At kayo po ay pinadalhan po nila ng sorpresa and no more, sana all na po at isa na rin po kayo sa amin po na sorpresa ngayon.
Dati nag-i-inquire lang ako sa'yo, nagtatanong lang ako. Honestly, na-surprise talaga. Pwede ka magdamag ngayon. Nag-cancel ako ng lunch kasi ay masama nga yung pakiramdam ko. Pagkabi ka, nilalagnat ako, masakit yung buong katawan ko. Nag-cancel ako, okay naman siya. Tapos mamaya may nagtatao ko. Delivery daw. Sabi ko po, magawa ng mga to. Yan. So anyway, ikumento ko sa inyo. Masakit. Bakit? Masakit. Pero thank you. Namatay si Magmag noong Sabado. Sobrang sakit, namatay. Nung nagpunta ako sa training, patay na si Matmat noon. Sobrang sakit. Tapos, nung hapon din na yun, namatay si Kulot. 2 aso yung namatay sa amin. Sabi ko, bakit ganun? Matmat, ang bigat ng pa-birthday mo sa akin. Sabi ko kayong Matmat. Sabi ko siguro kung may mawawala, may darating. Thank you sa inyo. Sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat. Namatay si Matmat, di ko lang
Ayan. So, Ma'am Miro, kahit po naging malungkot ang inyong ilang araw, pero nandito naman po sila para po kayo ay pasayahin. Ayan, palagi mo lang tatandaan, ma'am, na hindi man po kayo laging magkakasama, nandyan pa rin yung friends forever, lalo po't mga estudyante nyo po before, at yun nga po, coach po nila kayo. Ayan. Love na love po nila kayo, ma'am. Ayan. Ayan. Kaya naman po, Ma'am Miro, once again po, happy birthday!